iPhones are some of today's most advanced technology, but the screen on them are very delicate and sometimes the slightest drop can leave you with a cracked screen. These screens can be dangerous as they can cut your finger. Plus they are an eyesore, ugly and unfashionable. No worries. We are expert at repairing and replacing cracked or broken iPhone screens. We are conveniently located in the Sumner County area. We are also affordable and reliable. Need your iPhone screen repaired? Give us a call today or stop by our store. We also carry the latest accessories for your iPhone.